If DaVinci Resolve is giving you an OpenCL error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to fix it step by step. This is a very common issue, and it usually comes from OpenCL driver instability, an unsupported GPU, or the wrong GPU backend being selected inside Resolve. So if your timeline is loaded, but Resolve keeps throwing GPU or OpenCL errors, this guide should help you get back to editing fast. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more practical DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Alright, let's fix it. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you are on the Edit page with your clips visible on the timeline. Starting here makes it easier to confirm that Resolve is running normally before we change anything. Once you're in the program, go to the top menu and click DaVinci Resolve, then choose Preferences. This is where the GPU and memory settings are stored, and this is the most important place to check when OpenCL problems show up. Inside Preferences, go to the Memory and GPU section. This area controls how DaVinci Resolve communicates with your graphics hardware, so if the wrong setting is enabled, you can run into rendering issues, playback issues, or startup errors. What you want to look for is the GPU processing mode option. If it's currently set to OpenCL and that's causing the error, switch it to CUDA if your GPU supports it. CUDA is often more stable on supported NVIDIA cards, and it can bypass OpenCL failures in many cases. If CUDA is not available, then keep OpenCL selected manually, but make sure the rest of the settings are correct. Next, check the GPU list. This is important because Resolve needs to use the correct graphics device, especially if your computer has more than one GPU or both integrated and dedicated graphics. Make sure the proper GPU is selected, and avoid letting Resolve use an unsupported device. If the wrong GPU is active, that can trigger OpenCL errors, even if your drivers are installed correctly. So take a moment here and verify that the device listed is actually the one you want Resolve to use. After that, click Save. This step applies the new GPU configuration, but the changes won't fully take effect until Resolve restarts, so close the program completely and reopen it. Restarting is important because it reloads the GPU settings and forces Resolve to reinitialize the graphics backend with your updated configuration. In many cases, that alone is enough to clear the OpenCL error and get your project working again. If the issue still appears after switching the processing mode and confirming the correct GPU, the problem is usually related to an unstable OpenCL driver or unsupported hardware. At that point, you should make sure your GPU drivers are fully up to date, and if you're on a system that supports CUDA, that can often be the better long-term option for smoother performance inside DaVinci Resolve. Also, if you're using an older graphics card, it may simply not work well with the current OpenCL backend, which means changing the GPU mode is even more important. So to recap the fix, open Resolve, go to Preferences, open Memory and GPU, change the GPU processing mode from OpenCL to CUDA if available, confirm the correct GPU is selected, click Save, and restart the app. That's the fastest way to troubleshoot this issue and get DaVinci Resolve running properly again. If this video helped you fix the OpenCL error, please give it a like, subscribe for more Resolve tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with any other DaVinci Resolve problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.